Good afternoon friends, welcome to the another video of Fitness Network. In this video, we care about masturbation, its side effects and how to stop it, how it affects your health. Masturbation as such is not harmful, it's a basic human need and done by the majority of males and females. But excess masturbation and addiction to masturbation can be very dangerous and it causes a serious health problem in maternal sex life. Healthy way to do so is once in 10 days and on a full sexual adorse and soft in pleasant manner. Now let's see which food you want to eat after masturbation, because after masturbation an enough protein is being ejected out. Burger was a good source of protein, not if a Hardee's hamburger or McDonald's hamburger were good. Source of protein has 177 calories, 21.5 grams of protein, 9.5 grams of fat, 95% of lean has 140 calories, 21.5 protein and 5.3 grams of fat. If you like this video, please subscribe Fitness Network and click the bell button. Thank you.